All right, my excitement is elevated today. I've got this new Winnebago hike. First impressions to come at you. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go check out this cool rig. All right, so first impressions on the patio side. You got, my gosh, some cool crap. You got this exoskeleton. Might be like wondering why am I got these bars and stuff. Well, if you look at the suspension, which is uber cool, you got the big knobby tires, but more importantly, you got the lift and the shocks to be able to go off-road, to get into some crazy trail running. You're gonna need that exoskeleton to fight off all the tree branches and then some. All right, I'm not sure what you call these, but I'm gonna call it a junk box, right? You just throw whatever the heck you want in here, but this is really freaking cool. I've got a tray, I guess essentially a workbench that I can tinker with whatever I have. So if I've got my bike with me and I got a flat, I can pull up and I can wrench up on some stuff right here on the side, on the door side. Going beyond that, even more storage. RVers, we love storage, don't we? To be able to take all our crap with us. This is pretty much, I swear, like the half of the trailer back here. I'm throwing my chairs, I'm throwing my sewer hose, I'm throwing all my goodies, and even my kids. No, I'm just kidding. I'm throwing all my stuff in there, guys. This is so cool. And then it's not done. Wait for it. Voila. I've got some nice exterior storage that as I'm relaxing, kind of chilling out in between the trail runs, I've got plenty of storage. I got this cool hookup. I can throw up some utensils, my hot plate, a cooler, and a spray port to wash all this stuff down. Guys and gals, this is phenomenal. First impressions so far, man, 2 thumbs up. Ladders, ladders, ladders. Owning a bunch of RVs over my years, you gotta have a ladder to be able to get up on the top just to check your sealants and do some routine maintenance. But first impression, climbing up here, man, there's some cool stuff. You got a crossbar kit at the top, you got a big solar panel, and again, you got the bars up there to be able to tie off something if you wanna hang to dry your towels or do like a clothesline. Man, this is cool. All right, call me lazy, but when I get to a campground, I want to crack open that beer and get relaxing fast. So once I've got the power tongue jack up and down just by pushing a button and got my vehicle clear, I've got the power stabilizer jacks. I don't have to get down on my knees and do anything other than just flip my finger and get it rolling. Guys and gals, rainy day, cold day, just whatever, you got to be inside. I am super impressed with this small footprint of what we've got inside. Let's dig into it. Got storage everywhere. Kitchen, bathroom, closet, the pass-through to the outside. And if you don't need anybody sleeping up here, you've got this net, cargo net to throw sleeping bags, blankets, pillows, whatever the heck you want. Super impressed with the amount of storage in this little camper. Man, don't we love our electronics, right? Everything at our fingertips. Well, if you remember outside, we've got that lifted suspension. I'm going off the grid. I may not have electric. Heck, I might even have cell service if I do it right. Anyway, if I need a little quick charge or hook up any of my 12-volt electronics, I've got USB from the solar panel up top, and over at the kitchen, can throw my cell phone right there and get a charge to it. So I'm just get back from the bike trail, or I'm out all day paddleboarding, or whatever I'm doing. Again, this camper, super impressed with the utilitarian part of it to be able to get off the grid. I've basically got a full kitchen I can get my grub on. Got my microwave, got the hot plate outside that I could always bring inside and plug in and do a little cooking. Full on refrigerator for my beverages, and I got plenty of storage. Oh, I got a prep area. Yeah, didn't even see that. Anyway, super excited about what I have inside to get my meals done. All right, let's see what's behind this door. Heck yeah, I got a full-on bathroom. Got a sink, I got a shower, of course my toilet, extra storage. Man, so much going on right here. I can do it all at one time. All right, everybody. I hope you're as impressed with this camper as I am. I mean, even just laying up here in the bunk bed, I am super comfortable. Anyway, show us some love. Like the video, comment below on what you think is super cool about these Hike 100s by Winnebago. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Come check us out on the next one. We'll see you later.